Okay, this is not good. I got a fish on here. I got 4 6-pound test line. It's a catfish. And I've got another one on the big rod. Let me see if I could bring this one in. Taking drag, that one's taking drag. This one's coming in. See a white rod bouncing? Oh boy, we're gonna have trouble here. What do we got here? How big is he? What is it? Only 6 pounds. Ah, the other drag is going. I hate that. Got plenty of line. Come on, let me see you. Just put new line on this. He sees. I think he's seen me. Got to be a channel cat. Oh yeah, nice channel cat. Let me bring him to the bank. Come on, big boy. We're gonna get your mama in a little while. Now this one stopped moving. Come on, tangle me up. Come on. Gotta get off. Where you at? That one's still going. Look at that rod. It's still going. Oh boy, I tell you. Come on. Let's take a picture of you. Come on, don't be shy. Oh, easy. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. I'm not gonna hurt you, big guy. Come on. Open up. Open up, come on. Where you at? There you are. Alright, let me get the hook out of you, and then we'll let you go. Alright. There goes a nice catfish. Are you not going to talk for us? Okay, let's let him go. Okay, let's go get the other one. The line stopped moving. Let me get the pliers. Oh, I tell you. Swallow it. Now this one has chicken on it. This one had the worm and a little bit of chicken. Okay, let's see what we got. He stopped moving, so see if we got something or nothing. Tangle us up, or what do we do? Feel like there's a tree in there. Oh yeah, still got him. Double header. Okay, let me bring him to the bank. This is a big rod, so he's not getting away. He's rolling. He's turning. Come on. Come on, pretty boy. This is a much heavier line. How far did you swallow? No, you son of a gun. Oh, yeah, he swallowed it good. Okay. All right. I got a glove. Come on. Oh, there you There you go.